Once your monitors are connected to the Lenovo docking station, the next step is configuring your display settings in Windows. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings to access the configuration panel. In the Display Settings window, Windows will automatically detect your connected monitors. You'll see numbered rectangles representing each display, which you can click and drag to match your physical monitor arrangement. The arrangement of your displays is crucial for a smooth workflow. Drag the numbered monitor rectangles to match how your physical monitors are positioned on your desk, whether side by side, stacked, or in an L-shaped configuration. Windows offers two main display modes. Extend mode creates one continuous desktop across both monitors, giving you more workspace. Duplicate mode shows the same content on both screens, useful for presentations or when you want identical displays. Setting the correct resolution for each monitor is essential for optimal display quality. Modern Lenovo docking stations support up to dual 4K displays at 60 Hz, but you should match each monitor's native resolution for the best image quality. You can designate one monitor as your primary display. The primary display is where your taskbar appears and where new windows open by default. This is typically your main working monitor. For optimal performance, ensure your Lenovo docking station has the latest firmware updates. These updates often improve display lag, color accuracy, and compatibility with newer monitors. With properly configured dual monitors, you can significantly boost your productivity. Studies show that dual monitor setups can increase productivity by up to 40%, providing more screen real estate for multitasking and reducing the need to constantly switch between applications. Remember these key steps. Access display settings through right-click, arrange your monitors to match your physical setup, choose extend mode for maximum workspace, set appropriate resolutions, select your primary display, and keep your dock firmware updated for the best experience.